Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a double crochet stitch. For this I am using Vardhaman yarn and a 4mm hook. So let's start it. First I'll be doing a slip knot by wrapping the yarn around my finger like this, and then we'll pull up a loop. So this is our slip knot. Now we'll make 15 chains. For making the 15 chains, yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Again yarn over the hook and pull. Yarn over the hook and pull. Yarn over the hook and pull. So this way we'll be making 15 chains. This is just a sample piece, so I'll be making only 15 chains. So here I made 15 chains. Now we'll go into the fourth chain from the hook. Now these 3 chains, the first 3 chains, they'll count as our first double crochet, and we'll go into the fourth chain from our hook. So yarn over the hook and into the chain like this, and again yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So yarn over the hook and pull through the first 2 loops only. Now there are 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again yarn over and we'll go into the next chain and pull. Again 3 loops, yarn over the hook and pull through first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So this makes a 3 double crochets. Like this we'll go in every chain and make double crochets. So for double crochets we'll go yarn over the hook into the chain and pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through first 2 loops, then again yarn over the hook and then pull through the 2 loops together. So here I completed the first row. These 3 chains in the beginning, they count as the first double crochet. Now we'll do chain 3 and turn our work. Now we'll go into the base of these 3 chains. I usually don't count them as the first double crochet. So we'll make the first double crochet in the base of this chain. Then yarn over and we'll go into the next chain. Yarn over the hook and pull. 3 loops, yarn over the hook and pull through the first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Again yarn over and we'll go into the next chain. Again yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. This way we'll complete our second row. So here I have completed our second row and I have reached the end. Now I'll make last double crochet in that chain 3, which was counted as the first double crochet in the previous row. So I'll go into the third chain and I'll make one more double crochet. Again, chain 3 and turn our work. So I'll make one double crochet in the base of this chain 3 space and yarn over and pull. Again, in the same way, I'll make one double crochet in each chain across the row. So here I have completed the 5 rows of double crochet. It is just a sample piece that I have made. I hope you like the video, and for any queries you can write me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.